Yes, folks, LionLee back again with another request. First off, praises to the Most High. And thanks to all of you out there who seem to be enjoying this whole shits and giggles thing. Yes, so I get another request from a good friend of mine, a gentleman by the name of Eric. Shobido, show whoa whoa. Boothe. One of my longtime brethren, bona fide, who requested a song from another giant, the man called Mr. Ken Boothe. The song, The Train Is Coming Baby. Initially, him seemed like the cockatoo version. And, you know what I mean? But we can't have the cockatoo because the money is on another level. You know what I mean? LionLee can only do LionLee. So, my youth, I'll get you in my style. You know? Like me say, little bit on the rough side, fast and quick. Saying, hope you enjoy it. Train is coming, baby. Said the train is coming down. Said the train is coming, baby. Said the train is coming now. So long I've been waiting for you. Oh yeah. Now the time has come. It's between you and me. Oh yeah. 'Cause the train is coming, baby. Said the train is coming now, 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 now. Said the train is coming, baby. And I am leaving on that train, Lord. Train is coming, baby. The train is coming now. Said the train is coming, baby. The train is coming now. The train is coming, baby. The train is coming now. Yo, my youth, that's how I'm going to give you. One love. LionLee out.